What's up, gang? We're back at it again with another video. Got the usual suspects with me today, as always. That owner flashy swimmer. Brought a fluke today, tying this little bit of this weighted mustad hook. Got the ultralight, and I brought that big boy, big body boom boom swim bait with me. And we got Brody out here again. He's around the corner, and we are at the golf course. We're gonna do some golf course hopping today. Not necessarily hopping. We're gonna hit the big lake on the golf course. I got a meeting at 1:30, so we don't have a whole lot of time. So yeah, we're gonna switch this thing over to the GoPro. We're gonna roll right into this thing. Out here, first freaking cast. I'm around the corner shooting the intro, and Brody is already hooked up with his first golf course chunk. Little dude, not bad, not terrible. What'd you throw out there and get him on that? That swim bait? That flashy swimmer?
Yeah.
Hey, I told you, man, that thing does so much work.
Sir.
So Brody's gonna toss him back out there into the drink. You don't gotta get that deep down there. You don't wanna slip off that edge. Good to go. That was awesome, dude.
Crazy.
I'm gonna kick this thing off with the old ultralight. Oh crap! I forgot I got broke off yesterday. Oh, didn't even bring another rooster tail. Well, we won't be throwing the ultralight today. That's my mistake. Freaking rooster tail in the truck. I didn't realize I hadn't even freaking retied that on here, but I guess that goes to show you guys, always make sure you double check your gear and go to the bathroom before you go fishing. You got one? Brody hooked up again. Oh, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him. We gotta get hooked up, guys. We got to get hooked up. Oh my goodness. Did y'all see that? Those are either gills or pretty sure that's a nice sized bass that's sitting up in there. Oh, did he get it? Did he take it? He did take it. Oh, and he dropped it. He took my tail. No, he didn't. Put that right on top of him. He smacked it right in there. Bruh. Brody. Oh, there we go. Oh, he knocked my freaking swimmer off, man. I can't even throw this anymore now. So right there, first largie of the day. Brody's already got 2 on the bank. I missed a good one right over there a minute ago. And this guy was sitting right back there in that corner, just hanging out. And he actually hit this thing twice, 3 times actually, when I threw it back there. And then he just shook it off. So my flashy swimmer, or Kitech bait, is actually sitting out there in those reeds. I don't have my boots on, otherwise I'd go get it. But yeah, you see that right there? He's all beat up on his tail. Looks like he's had a rough life. But it's all good. That right there is a good largie. So I'm gonna get this guy back out there. And on to the next giant.
I think I have another one.
You got another swim bait?
I think so.
Sweet.
It might be beat up though.
That's all right. I'm not tripping.
When I fished it all day yesterday, I just took it off. It's a little ripped though. I don't
That's
know if
okay.
that's gonna work.
Might be a little too small for this hook. This is a 5/0.
Oh dang. Is it the same thing you let me use or no?
That one that I gave you is a 3/0.
Oh,
this one's a 5, so it's all right. No, it's straight.
I'm try a bandito bug.
You know what? Yeah, actually.
What's your poison?
Yeah, let me get one of those.
You gotta sniff it.
Oh, I already know. They smell good. I got tons of these. All right, guys, y'all see it right there. Bandito bug. What is that, Alabama craw? I think that's what this color is. Can't remember for sure. I'm pretty sure that's Alabama craw. Bam! Right there. Money bags. Oh! What the heck? You gotta be kidding me right now, man. Well, this is gonna be a short day. I just cast over there and it just snapped off. Yeah, bro. Not sure what that's all about. Lost my hook, everything. Fresh bandito bug. Let's go with the old white fluke with the chartreuse tail. I can't believe I just lost that. And this hook's got a little bit of a weight to it, so it'll help it fall a little faster. Give it a little bit more action in the water. Looks good. Right there. They love to hang out around those roots. Told you. Oh, one just came out and smacked it. They love them roots, man. They love to hang out around them. And he took my tail. I want to say, I bet you, did he take my, he did smack. Bruh. There we go. Oh, and he let it go. Oh my God, dude. Just drug him all the way over here. I just watched him just right through the line. There we go. On that fluke, baby. Oh, chill, bro. Got him right there in the inside of that lip. That mustad hook. Dang, this dude has got some knots on him. These fish are messed up in here, man. That big old freaking, what is that? Huge knot right there. Nasty little dudes up in here, man. This creek might have something going on in it. But yeah, another solid largie on that fluke. He already ripped up my fluke. One of them snatched the tail right off of it. And then this one is pretty much no good anymore at this point. Completely destroyed that, so probably gonna be swapping that out. There's a big one right there. Did you get it? Brody, come here. Oh my God, dude, there's a huge one over here. Bro, there's a nice one right there. Yes, bro. So right there, like I threw it all the way down there and he came and got it. That right there where that turtle just swam to. Let's switch up this color because I had another one eat it right here, but he came off. He's still there. There he goes. Got it. Turn with it. Come on, you got it? He's got it, but I want him to have it before I set the hook. So if that means he's got to swim by me, then I want him to swim by me. He still got it. Still got it. Still got it. Got him. Oh, that's a... Bro, that is an absolute freaking tank, dude. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, dude. Bro. Oh my God. Oh, come out of the grass, come out of the grass. Oh, that is a tank, dude. That is a tank. Oh my God, bro. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh. Guys, that right there is a freaking slaunch. Look at that fish, man. Look at this dude. That right there is solid. Oh, that's what we come out here to get right there, baby. Look at that, man. Somebody's already ripped his lip, completely blown his brains out one time. Fluke, man. Right there off the edge. So initially I threw it all the way to the end down there. He came out, he just chased it all the way back and smashed it, but I initially missed the original hook set on him. Threw back over there again. And he switched up the color because I lost my white and chartreuse fluke to like a, what is this? Silver Flash. Yum, or Zoom Super Fluke. And this guy came out of the blue and just freaking banged it. Oh my goodness, man. Let's go down here where we can release him. Come on. And he's gonna get it. Banged it. Oh, he took it. He took it. He took it from me. Bro, those are good fish. Oh, I left my flukes over there. Come on, turn around. Turn around, girl. Here he comes. Boom, he bumped it, but didn't take it. Oh, but he took it. Golly, dude, I don't want you. But I'll take you. I'll take you. I'll take you. I'll take you. Oh. Since you want to eat it so bad, I'll take you. But I don't want you. I want your big sister that's over there. Let's get this guy back out there. Let's take him down here. Yeah, I'm going to put him down here. Ooh, there's more down here. Let's go get this big girl. There she is. There she is. She sees it. Oh, she saw it but didn't take it. Somebody got it. Got him. That's one. That's not the one though. That's not the one though. That's not the one. He's bigger than the last one, but this is not the one. Bigger than the last one, but that's not the one we want. It's not the one we want, guys. That's not the one we want. There's a bigger one in there. Go. free. I know, dude. She's just sitting right there at the bottom. All right, guys, I think we're gonna call it quits. Man, what can I say? Solid day of fishing right there, man. We had 2 break-offs, so we had 2 pole malfunctions. Ended up switching over to a fluke, and the fluke is what got us the biggest fish of the day. Man, it was a solid, had to have been 3 pounds easily. And then Brody slides down to the end of the creek down there where the water gets crystal clear, and lo and behold, there's 4 big old bass schooling right down there in that creek, and I ended up getting 2 of them. There was a much larger female that was in there, but she wasn't entertained by that fluke. I think if I probably had that ultralight or something a little bit lighter, probably could have got her on the line, but it's all good. We know for next time, so we'll definitely be back out here again. So yeah, I think Brody's gonna keep on fishing for a little bit longer. He's still casting around. So until the next time, as always, man, if you like what I'm doing, if you love what I'm doing, if you hate what I'm doing, by all means, jump down there in them comments and leave your boy some feedback. Check in with your boy, that bass fishing dude, on the next video. Peace.